Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn the sounds of the alphabet? Let's say the sounds together and have fun! A, apple.
B, ball. The letter C. C is for cat. D, dog.
E, elephant.
F, fish. Fish swims happily.
G, goat. The goat says, "Ma!" H, hat. I, igloo. Igloo shines in snow.
J, jam. L, lion.
M, monkey.
N, nest.
O, are you ready to learn this? Octopus.
Pig.
Q, queen.
R, rabbit. Rabbit hops.
S, sun.
Tiger. Tiger.
U, let's say umbrella.
Let's learn the letter V. Van.
Hello, kids. Whale. Whale splashes water.
This is the letter X. It makes the sound x. X, fox. Can you say fox and wave hello?
We, yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo goes up and down. Zebra. Zebra runs happily.
Let's say the sounds together one more time. A, B, C, K.
Awesome job! You learned the A to Z phonics sounds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn with us again. Bye-bye!